So the data hub from Pure Storage allows organizations to consolidate the different types of workloads that really are difficult often to integrate together. Very often they're typically siloed. So we find that a data warehouse, a data lake, perhaps an AI environment are all in separate environments. Using the Pure Storage Data Hub, we're allowed to consolidate those very different workloads and allow easy access to the information for those different types of analytical applications that are being run. Now, when we combine that with our partnership with Veritas, we suddenly find that we've not only got that very flexible data hub for storing the data, but we can protect it as well. That, combined with the ability to do rapid restore, leveraging not only Pure Storage FlashBlade, but Veritas Net Backup, means that customers can actually concentrate on deriving real business value from their data rather than worrying about their environment. Again, this allows our customers to jointly focus on the most important thing to them, deriving real customer benefit and taking the next applications to their customers and thriving. So again, this is a fabulous relationship that we have and a great partnership between Veritas and Pure Storage.